Da, 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 da.
Alright, so what I'm doing right now, pulling my amps out and pretty much getting ready for an upgrade. But yeah, I'm just over here getting things together. Let me go down and get the negative ready. The positive ready. Before you pull it out. Ugh. Let me get my mind right, y'all. Man, I hope everybody been good. And I give y'all a couple of pointers for anybody that's installing these amps or installing Brazilian amps. You might want to look into that RCA voltage. Keep it below 2 volts. Well below 2. Not well below, but below 2. You don't want to go above 2. Above 2 can be bad. So right now I'm just disconnecting a few things. I'm going to take these wires and kind of stuff them out the way. Let's go on and get this side out. I wonder if I can get that last screw with just my hand and no driver. If I do, don't judge me. There she is. Oh man, the first MD. I'm gonna miss this amp. Don't y'all just love this part right here of the build?
Shit.
Oh no!
Alright, here goes a cap charge. Yeah, buddy.